Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make quick and healthy 3-ingredient protein overnight oats. These are not just any oats. They are packed with protein and perfect for those who are always on the go. These no-bake, high-protein oat cups are perfect for busy mornings, and they're super easy to make. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your taste. Ready? Let's jump right in. You'll be amazed at how simple and quick this recipe is. First off, let's gather our 3 simple ingredients: rolled oats, Greek yogurt, and your favorite protein powder. That's it. Just 3 ingredients to make a nutritious breakfast. Nothing fancy, just wholesome ingredients to fuel your day. These ingredients are not only healthy, but also easily available. Start by grabbing a mason jar or any small container. Mason jars are great because they're portable and easy to store. Add half a cup of rolled oats to the jar. Rolled oats are a great source of fiber and will keep you feeling full longer. Rolled oats are packed with fiber and keep you feeling full longer. They also provide a good amount of energy to kickstart your day. Next, scoop in half a cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but also loaded with protein. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, keeping your gut happy and healthy. It adds a nice tangy flavor to the oats. Finally, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This will boost the protein content and make the oats even more satisfying. I love using vanilla-flavored protein powder for that extra hint of sweetness. It complements the tanginess of the yogurt perfectly. But feel free to use any flavor you like: chocolate, strawberry, or even unflavored. The choice is yours. Now, give it a good stir. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Mix everything until it's well combined and the oats are fully coated. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. If you find the mixture too thick, you can add a splash of milk or water to reach your desired consistency. This step is optional but can make the oats creamier. Once it's all mixed up, pop the lid on and refrigerate overnight. This allows the oats to soak up the liquid and flavors. After a good night's rest, your protein-packed overnight oats are ready to eat. They'll be soft, creamy, and delicious. Just grab a spoon and dive in. It's that simple. These oat cups are perfect for a grab-and-go breakfast or a post-workout snack. They're convenient and nutritious. And the best part? They're customizable. You can customize them with your favorite toppings. This is where you can get creative. Add some fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or even some chocolate chips for a treat, or a sprinkle of nuts for extra crunch. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, a simple, nutritious, and delicious breakfast option. Quick and healthy. 3-ingredient protein. Overnight oats. Perfect for any day of the week. Simple, nutritious, and delicious. You'll love how easy and tasty these are. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. I'm sure it'll become a staple in your breakfast routine. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and easy recipes. Your support means a lot. See you next time. Have a great day.